are touring Karl's farm in Thornton, Colorado with their urban collection, and this is through Richmond American Homes. Two collections that we are going to be touring today is the Cityscape collection and the urban collection. Come along with me as we tour these amazing homes. Guys, it's Linda Barr, your Denver North Realtor, and today we are touring Karl's farm with the Cityscape collection and the urban collection from Richmond American Homes. I'm so excited. These are new builds. They are here in Thornton, Colorado. So we are just gonna look at the Devoe collection, which is gonna be right here, and this is with the Cityscape. We're gonna go right inside, and then we are also gonna hit right across the street and run into the Boston model, which is from the urban collection. So there's two model homes right now available per collection. So come on, let's go in and check it out. That we are going to tour today. Don't forget, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And what are you guys looking for in a new build? It's awesome that they have inventory right now, especially if you're looking. Some of them are pushed out a couple months and some are available. When you guys are looking, whether it's me or with another realtor or wherever you may be, it doesn't matter if you're in Colorado or not, make sure you are asking the sales office what is available, because every model that you see sometimes won't be available on the lot releases that they're coming. It depends on what release they're on. It depends on the time frame. Sometimes you can walk in and they'll be like, hey, you know what? These models are available in 2 to 3 months. Sometimes it's 6 to 8 months, and sometimes you're looking at a year plus out. Make sure that is something that you are talking to the sales people about, especially if you are on a time crunch. Maybe you are selling and you need to be moved into a place in a couple months. Maybe, whatever your situation is, just make sure that you are asking about that. Or if you see a model that you fall in love with model is no longer available. Sometimes that happens too. So just make sure you or your realtor is asking those questions when you guys are in the sales office so you can be best informed and you won't be blindsided to be like, oh, well, I thought this would be available now, or this is the only model I liked and you're telling me I can't have it. As always, you guys, if I don't see you on the next tour, I'll definitely see you on my next video. Bye.